instructions, but please, that's not my instructions or company's instructions. That's the instruction outside of the national park. Okay? The first one is everybody have to be follow me full time, taking one single line. Okay? Full time. Please do not go out of the line. Never. Okay? Welcome to the second biggest coral reef in the world. All right? So you have 5 extra minutes because you did it good. You have the right. Cancun. All right. So the statues there. Let me explain you a little bit. All right. Cancun was hit by a really huge hurricane like 15 or 20 years ago. All right. That hurricane destroyed 45-50% of the coral reef in all this area. That means a lot. Okay. It destroyed a lot of the coral reef. So the government put that statues there. Okay, because they are created with a special concrete, alright? So, the coral reef can grow faster in that statue.